For the treatment of Hodgkin's lymphoma, there are a few different methods. So we have chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Certain drugs are also given depending on the stage of the lymphoma. So we have this ABVD protocol, which is usually done at the start. So this consists of giving adriamycin, bleomycin, vinblastine, and dacarbazine. We have the Stanford 5 regimen, which is usually given in stage 1 or stage 2. This consists of doxorubicin, vinblastine, mechlorethamine, etoposide, vincristine, bleomycin, and prednisone. And we have the Biacop protocol, which is usually given in a more advanced stage. So this consists of bleomycin, etoposide, doxorubicin, cyclophosphamide, vincristine, procarbazine, and prednisone. Stem cell therapy is also another option as well.